As artificial intelligence continues to advance at a rapid pace, it's natural to wonder whether it will eventually surpass human intelligence. From self-driving cars to personalized healthcare, AI has the power to improve efficiency and make our lives easier in countless ways. But as with any new technology, there are also potential downsides to consider. Will AI eventually overtake us and render human intelligence obsolete, or is this just a fanciful notion dreamed up by science fiction writers? In this article, we'll explore the possibility of artificial intelligence surpassing human intelligence and its potential impacts on society. 1. AI taking over the world, is it just science fiction or reality? There has been a lot of buzz about the possibility of artificial intelligence surpassing human intelligence, but is it really something we need to worry about? On one hand, it's easy to see how AI could potentially overtake us in certain areas, such as calculating and processing data at lightning speeds. But on the other hand, there are plenty of limitations to what AI can do, especially when it comes to tasks that require creativity, empathy, and common sense. So, is the idea of AI taking over the world just a fanciful notion dreamed up by Hollywood screenwriters? Not necessarily. While it's unlikely that we'll see a Skynet-like scenario anytime soon, it's important to recognize that AI is constantly evolving and becoming more advanced. That means it's possible, though still unlikely, that we could see AI surpassing human intelligence in certain areas at some point in the future. But as long as we continue to monitor and regulate the development of AI, we can ensure that it remains a tool that enhances our lives rather than becoming a threat to our existence. 2. The great AI debate, is it a blessing or a curse? There's no denying that artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. From self-driving cars to personalized healthcare, AI has the power to improve efficiency and make our lives easier in countless ways. But as with any new technology, there are also potential downsides to consider. One concern is the potential for AI to take over jobs currently performed by humans. While some experts argue that AI could create new job opportunities, others worry that it could lead to widespread unemployment and a disruption of entire industries. There's also the issue of bias, as AI systems can sometimes reflect the biases of their creators or the data they are trained on. And then there's the question of accountability. If an AI system makes a mistake or causes harm, who is responsible? These are just a few of the many questions and concerns surrounding the use of AI, and it's clear that there's no easy answer to whether it's a blessing or a curse. Ultimately, it will come down to how we choose to use and regulate this powerful technology. 3. The AI apocalypse, fact or fiction? When it comes to the possibility of artificial intelligence surpassing human intelligence, it's natural to feel a little uneasy. After all, the idea of machines becoming smarter than us is something that's been depicted in countless science fiction stories, often with disastrous consequences. But is it really something we need to be worried about? The short answer is, probably not. While it's true that AI has come a long way in recent years and is capable of doing some impressive things, there are still many tasks that it can't perform as well as humans. For example, AI systems may be able to analyze and interpret data quickly, but they often struggle with tasks that require creativity, empathy, and common sense. In other words, it's unlikely that we'll see a scenario where AI completely takes over and renders human intelligence obsolete. 4. AI versus humans, who will come out on top? As artificial intelligence continues to advance, it's natural to wonder whether it will eventually surpass human intelligence. Some experts predict that we could see AI surpassing human intelligence in certain areas within the next few decades, while others argue that it's still a long way off. So who will come out on top in the great AI versus humans debate? One thing to consider is that AI and human intelligence are not necessarily in competition with each other. AI is a tool that can be used to augment and enhance human intelligence, rather than replace it. In fact, many experts believe that the combination of human and machine intelligence will be the key to solving some of the world's most pressing problems. It's important to recognize that AI has the potential to disrupt certain industries and potentially cause job displacement. It's essential to ensure that the development and deployment of AI are done in a responsible and ethical manner so that it benefits society. 5. The singularity, hype or reality? One concept that often comes up in discussions about artificial intelligence surpassing human intelligence is the idea of the singularity. The singularity refers to a hypothetical future point at which artificial intelligence will surpass human intelligence, leading to a rapid acceleration of technological progress and potentially transformative changes to human society. Some experts believe that the singularity is inevitable and could happen within the next few decades, while others argue that it's a highly speculative and unrealistic scenario. The truth is that it's difficult to predict exactly when, or if, the singularity will occur, and it's likely that we'll continue to see a mix of both hype and skepticism surrounding this concept. Regardless of whether the singularity happens or not, it's important to recognize that AI has the potential to bring about significant changes to society and the way we live and work. 6. AI ethics, ensuring a bright future for all. As artificial intelligence continues to advance, it's important to consider the ethical implications of this technology. From concerns about job displacement and bias to the potential for AI to be used in harmful or nefarious ways, there are several ethical issues that need to be addressed. One way to ensure that AI is developed and used in an ethical manner is to adopt a set of guiding principles or values. For example, the Asilomar AI principles, which were developed by leading AI researchers and ethicists, outline a set of values and guidelines for the responsible development and use of AI. These principles include ensuring that AI is used for the benefit of all, avoiding creating or reinforcing unfair biases, and being transparent about the use of AI. By adopting a set of guiding principles and engaging in ongoing dialogue about the ethical implications of AI, we can ensure that this powerful technology is used for the benefit of all and not just a select few. 7. The future of AI, exciting possibilities or cautionary tales. As we look toward the future of artificial intelligence, it's natural to wonder what the future holds. Will we see AI surpassing human intelligence and revolutionizing the way we live and work, or will we encounter unforeseen challenges and setbacks? The truth is that it's difficult to predict exactly what the future of AI will look like. But one thing is certain, AI has the potential to bring about significant changes to society and the way we live and work. Whether these changes are ultimately positive or negative will depend on how we choose to use and regulate this powerful technology. It's essential that we approach the development and deployment of AI with caution and consideration for the potential ethical and societal implications.